Hey, James again. Congratulations. You have your machine all set up and ready to go. You are on the final step. You are almost done. After this step, you'll be able to access your free course, your bonuses, and all of that good stuff. So you have everything set up, ready to go. You have all your pages, your emails, and everything ready to go. But what comes next? What do you need to start making money from all this is traffic. And traffic is just another word for visitors to your site. So traffic is the lifeblood of any business. And without it, you're dead in the water. And I thought long and hard about this, but as I want you to be successful as soon as possible, I'm going to actually give you access to my premium traffic supply. And I don't offer this to everyone, but as I really want to see you succeed with the RPM, I'm going to share it with you right now. And this is my favorite traffic source by far because you can quickly scale and see huge success with this traffic. There are some other traffic sources available, but this is by far the quickest and easiest to get started with. And that is solo ads. And if you don't know what solo ads are yet, they're basically where a seller of solo ads has a huge list of email subscribers. They send out an email to their list with your link in it. And there's lots of reasons why this is such a powerful traffic source when done right, which you can look into in the course. There's a full training on that that you're going to get access to in just a few moments. And it can be really hard to find a decent traffic provider. And a lot of people usually hold them close to their chest, which is why I was humming and hawing about giving you access to the premium traffic, because it's something that once you discover and once you start using, you can quickly scale to the moon. As an over deliverer, like I say, I'm giving you access to my best traffic source. I've tested this myself and it converts really well with the Rapid Profit Machine. And also remember that we're building up a passive income streams here that are going to be paying us over and over again. Every single income stream inside the RPM is what is known as a two-tier affiliate program, which in my opinion are like gold dust. And what two-tier means is not only do you get paid when you refer someone, but also when they refer someone. So for example, if I refer Bill, I'm going to earn a percentage of what Bill spends. And then if Bill refers Amy, I'm also going to get paid off what Amy gets as well. And it's very important to know that this is not MLM either, okay? MLM is multi-level. This is a simple two-tier affiliate program. If you want to know the difference, you can go look up two-tier affiliate programs if you want, but it's not multi-level. It's a two-tier affiliate program, which, like I said, is kind of like gold dust because they are absolutely amazing. And I try and promote only two-tier programs if I can. So you may get 100 people register and sign up for the RPM today, and then they can refer 1,000 more people next week without you having to do anything at all. So how cool is that? And like I said, it only gets better from here. It's really cool. The more people you can get referred right now, the more people they're going to refer in the coming days and weeks, and then it just grows and grows and builds from there. So with that said, click the button below, order your traffic package before continuing to the RPM training area and community. So you're on my computer once more, and as you can see, we're on the same page. Now, all we need to do now is send our premium traffic. This is the best quality traffic that you can get. So all we need to do is click send premium traffic to your machine. That's going to open a new page where we can order some traffic. So there's a bunch of different packages you can get. Obviously, the more that you buy, the cheaper per click that you get. So choose a package, whichever package that you're comfortable with purchasing. You can see all the testimonials from a bunch of awesome people here. And once you've chosen a package to send, all you need to do is just click on order now. A new page is going to come up where you can put in your link. So if you didn't write down your link or forgot where your link was, you just need to come into your Builder office, come into apps, and then Cheetah Website Builder. And then we need to get the URL for our opt-in page. So we click Edit Site, then click the three dots, and go to the website page. And then we just grab this URL here. And this is the page that we're going to send the traffic to. So we come back to our order page, we click on continue. We enter all of our information on the page once it's loaded up. So we enter all of our information. We put in our website URL twice just to make sure that they match and we haven't made any typos. And then we just order the traffic. So then the clicks are going to go to this page. You're going to get loads of opt-ins. Your emails are going to be sent out day after day, and you're most likely going to get some sales as well. So you're going to have however many people that you ordered. Say you order 1,000 clicks, you're going to get 1,000 clicks to this page, and a bunch of these people are going to opt in. You're going to get a bunch of subscribers going through your rapid profit machine, going through your offers. You've supercharged your rapid profit machine and you're ready to go. Congratulations on getting this far. You're already way ahead of 90% of the other people who come through this. And I cannot wait to see you succeed with the rapid profit machine.